There it is, and that's how it looks underneath. Oh, a bit of dirt over there. I don't really see any crazy rust, just a lot of surface rust. And there's the brake pads. Pretty much nothing left. The previous owner cut the brake pad, foot brake cable off. Looks like it was frayed. Where is it? Right there. And he politely cut it off for me. How nice of him. Yeah, another project for another day. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, unbelievably, Ford fitted only 12mm bolts. And I'm ecstatic to say they're not rusted, and I can actually use a 3/8 wrench to remove them. It's -2 outside, which is about what, 28 or so degrees Fahrenheit, -2 Celsius. So it's nice and chilly, this being a winter. That's why I have to work in the dark, because I work my normal job 9 to 5. Let's see how this goes. Oh, you can really smell the burning smell here. You can see the inside pad, there is nothing left, it's pure metal to metal contact. The outside pad has a tiny bit left, and there is a bit of sign of burning. And what you don't see in the video is a terrible smell this thing is emitting. But never fear, the new one is coming to the rescue. You can actually see, I hope you can see, the piston cracked from all the heat that was building up. Crazy, eh? Trying to clean up some rust buildup on the joint. A little PB blaster. It's not really coming off too well, so I've been heating it with the heat for the last maybe 5-6 minutes, and adding more PB blaster, and heating it and adding more PB blaster. Let's see if Master Negotiator helps. Oh, nice. It's loose. Fantastic. And there's the mechanism on the inside, which to me looks a little rusted. And a whole bunch of crud inside there. Ew. Very gross. I don't think I'll be replacing the parking brake shoes, although I might. But I might have to get new parking brake mechanism if this one doesn't work. So I'll try to use some disc brake cleaner to clean it off. Oh, that's so gross. Well, spent about a full can of brake cleaner cleaning it up. It I wouldn't say it looks half decent. It looks maybe a quarter decent. But I wonder if the grease is actually coming out from over there, from the seal, from the shaft seal. There was a bit of a grease there. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see there's a bit of a grease there. I don't know. I don't think I can. I don't have any brake cleaner, plus I can't be bothered doing it right now. Handbrake doesn't work anyway. So I'll put it back together, but before we'll do a comparison, new rotor and old rotor. You can see the difference between the rotors. This is the new rotor, the shiny one, and of course the old one. The old one, you can see the outside it's actually not bad, kind of thick material, but the inside is completely gone. You can see the difference, huh? I guess that rotor, the caliper, the C's caliper, was eating the crap out of this side of the brake rotor, just shaving it down. The new one is actually not bad, nice, even on both sides, of course, as you would expect. And I'll be putting it back in, hopefully next couple of minutes. There it is. Old versus new. It's hard to do it with one hand. Anyway, there it is. So there's a brand new caliper with new pads going on. Everything is on. Only thing is left is to swap the brake line from the old to the new. It's much easier. So I got new crush washers, and it's much easier to put in the new brake pads and everything, the new caliper and everything is new and shiny and fits right in, compared to working with an old stuff. All right. Okay. All right, everything is migrated. The new bolt is in. And for now, for bleeding, I'm just literally letting itself bleed. One of my friends, mechanics, suggested when doing it by yourself, you let the gravity do the heavy lifting. Just connect it, open the bleeder valve, and let the brake fluid come out by itself. And then finish off bleeding by pumping the brakes.